Thank you for being so interested in viewing rare images. These rare Civil War photos reveal haunting moments history tried to forget. Stay till the end. What you see might change how you see the past. An unidentified Union soldier, alone. Union soldier stands proud, musket and bayonet in hand. One of thousands ready to fight in a war that would define a nation's future. McClellan's guns at Yorktown, 1864. After the Confederate retreat, Union forces claimed Yorktown. McClellan's artillery now stands guard, silent, but once thunderous with war. Chain Bridge, during the Civil War, 1865. The Chain Bridge near Washington, D.C. was a vital lifeline. Guarded day and night as armies moved, and the nation's fate hung in the balance. Lincoln's first inaugural address, 1861. Beneath the unfinished U.S. Capitol, Lincoln spoke for unity on the eve of war, his words echoing against the storm already breaking. Crippled Locomotive, Richmond, 1865. This shattered locomotive at the Richmond depot speaks of the South so collapse, steel ruined, cities burning, and a rebellion in its final days. John L. Burns, Gettysburg Hero, 1863. At 69, civilian John Burns grabbed his musket and fought at Gettysburg. Wounded and limping, he became a symbol of American resolve. Alfred A. Stratton, double amputee, 1864. Just 19, Alfred Stratton lost both arms to a cannonball at Petersburg. His sacrifice became one of the most haunting faces of the war's cost. Line of Brooks's division, Fredericksburg, 1863, Union troops line up at Fredericksburg, where stone walls and slaughter awaited. It was a day of bravery, met by brutal Confederate fire. War students of two continents, 1863. Young officers, including Zeppelin and Dahlgren, stood together. For some, war was duty. For others, it was a grim classroom of death. Fredericksburg, from the river, C2, 1860-65. A rare view of Fredericksburg's bridge and Confederate lines. This town would witness fierce urban combat and immense suffering. Fee A.M. Chandler and Silas. In 1863, Chandler was wounded at Chickamauga. Silas, his enslaved servant, saved his leg and later returned to war, serving the family that once owned him. Confederate Breastworks, Petersburg, 1865, captured on April 3, 1865. These abandoned trenches mark the Union breakthrough that forced Lee to abandon Richmond, bringing the war to its final days. 22nd New York Militia, Harpers Ferry, 1861. The 22nd New York Guard is Harpers Ferry, once the site of John Brown's raid early in the war. This key outpost would be hotly contested for years to come. Sherman's troops dismantle railroads, 1864. Sherman's men destroyed Atlanta's rail lines, twisting iron into Sherman's neckties. His scorched earth campaign broke Southern supply and morale. Escaping slavery at the Rappahannock, 1862. Fleeing slavery during the chaos of battle, African Americans crossed the river toward Union lines. Acts of courage that reshaped the war's purpose. 7th Illinois Infantry on Lookout Mountain, 1864. Union soldiers stand atop Lookout Mountain, deep in Confederate land. From here, they supported Sherman's Atlanta push and held vital ground. Burned Richmond, April 1865. As Richmond fell, retreating Confederates set it ablaze. Union troops arrived to find a city in ruins, marking the end of the Southern Rebellion. Jefferson Davis, Confederate President Davis, led the Confederacy through war and collapse. Hailed by some, blamed by others, he became a lasting symbol of a failed cause. USS Monitor crew, July 1862. Sailors rest aboard the ironclad USS Monitor. After it clashed with the CSS Virginia, it became a symbol of naval innovation in a brutal war. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more new videos of rare historical photos. Subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on any new videos.